I'm back again. All right, so these are the questions that I have for you guys tomorrow. I want to do a little bit of editing for them so you don't have access, and tomorrow's the official first virtual day anyway, but I wanted to remind you guys of the TTQA. Remember we talked about turn the question around. What year does the story take place? So you would reword that just using the words that you have. The story takes place in, and it tells you in the 1930s in your text that I shared with you. So you're just, if you have a document, you would take this part right here, copy it, and you can respond below. For this, I believe what will probably work out better for me is to create a Word document to show you how to do this correctly. You don't have to do this. You'll be able to respond below. So I just copied that and I'm pasting it in. You need to make sure that the punctuation is correct. The story takes place in the 1930s in Macomb. All right, so after a city, you put a comma before you put the state. Let's see if it'll show me. You made a mistake. Macomb, Alabama. Maybe it'll, oh, it's not. So one thing that I think you guys need to have on your computers is, it's called Grammarly, I think. I'll send the link to you. There should be a comma here. The story takes place in the 1930s in Macomb, Alabama. It gives you both of those setting components, the time and the place. All right. So you can put that directly into, let me get back down here, where are we? Oh, directly into your, you should be able to turn it in below. You don't see the same screen that I see. But I'm going to edit these so that they look a little different. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you tomorrow.